Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip6 5G. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box, and in that cover of the box you will find another little black box. You can release it like this here, and in that little black box you will find here on the black card this SIM ejection tool. Otherwise, by the way, you can use, of course, the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you're having the phone like this, so fold it, then you will find here at the side of the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, this SIM tray is able to insert one nano SIM card, so the usual one. Place it here like this. Press a bit, usually you will hear a little click noise. And this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner on the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner here at the SIM tray. And the contacts, they are below. Okay, and if you're ready, you can enter the SIM tray back into the SIM slot. Close it well. And that's it. If you want, you can add as well a profile for an eSIM card. You can have it also both, so the physical one and the eSIM card, so the phone is a dual SIM phone. It's possible. And so this was the tutorial here for the physical SIM card. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other video if you're interested in some more tips and tricks and so on. I can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and maybe until next time. Ciao.